In this video, I will show you how to factory reset PC on Windows 11. So whether you're looking to factory reset your PC because you're looking to sell it, or maybe you just want a clean fresh start on your PC, this should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow. Before we do continue though, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, all you need to do from your desktop is come down to your search box, which is in the taskbar at the bottom. In the search box, type settings and then open up settings underneath best match. Now once you've opened up your settings window, come over to the left hand side. On this menu you want to click onto system, and then what you want to do is scroll down on this screen until you see an option for recovery just down here. Give that a click. That's going to take you to a screen like this, and in the recovery option section you should see an option to reset this PC. So all you want to do is click onto the reset PC button, and what that's going to do is open a window like this. Now at this point you have two options. What you can do is keep your files. So what this does, it removes apps and settings but you keep your personal files. Or if you want to completely factory reset and remove everything, of course select the option to remove everything, which can remove all your personal files, apps and settings. For the purpose of this example, I'm going to select remove everything, and it's just going to take a minute now to get things ready. Then what you want to do is choose how you would like to reinstall Windows. You've got the option for cloud download or a local reinstall. For this example, I'm just going to select local reinstall. So as you can see, what's going to happen is the current settings are going to be to remove apps and files, but do not clean the drive, and reinstall Windows from this device. What we can now do is come down and click next at the bottom, and you're going to see it's just going to take a minute or two, as it says, getting things ready. Then you'll be taken to this screen. As you can now see, it says ready to reset this PC, and it's just going to summarize what's going to happen when you reset the PC. In my example, what's going to happen is all of my personal files and user accounts will be removed. Any changes made to settings will be removed, as well as any apps and programs that did not come with the PC. So that's all going to be removed. And then finally, Windows is going to be reinstalled from the drive on this device. Now, just a quick note that the factory reset can take quite a while to complete. So if you are using a laptop, make sure it is plugged into a power source. So of course that your laptop doesn't run out of battery and turn off during the recovery and reset process, as this can affect the process. But with that being said, if you're happy to go ahead, just simply click onto reset down here, and that's going to start the process to factory reset your PC on Windows 11. So that's how to factory reset your Windows 11 PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.